Hiya.
Can you say hi, Mima? Say hi, Mima.
Hi, Mom.
No, he said say Mima. Devin, say Mima. Devin, don't pay attention in the movie. Say hi, Mima.
Hello.
Well, stop stuffing your face. What are you eating? Huh? What are you eating? What you eating, Dev? How old are you? How old are you?
This.
No, I didn't ask how big you are. How old are you? What? How old are you, Devin?
No.
Devin, how old are you? How old are you? Are you 2? Are you 2? How old are you? Well, I'll turn Aladdin back on in a minute. Uh-oh. That's alright. Can you say hi, Mima?
Mom.
That's not Mima, that's Mom. Can you say I love you?
I will.
Yes, thank you. What you eating, Devin? Thank you. Thank you, Devin. What'd you do today? Where did you go today, Devin? Devin, where'd you go today? Whose house did you go to today? No. Can you blow me a kiss? Blow me a kiss. Thank you. Can I have a hug? Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Oh, thank you. Can you say hi, Grandma?
I got.
Say hi, Mima.
Hi, Mom.
Mima.
Still.
Mima.
Mommy.
No,
Mom.
yes. You show me, Ma, how big you are? That big? Whoa, look at that. Are you turning your movie back on? Are you eating a sandwich?
The princess? What are you doing outside the palace?
How old are you, Devin?
Not your concern. Do as I command. Release him.
Devin, how old are you?
I would, princess. Except my orders come from Jafar.
Can you say goodbye?
You have to take it up with him.
Bye.
Wave goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.